Hi guys, so I went, fix my camera. I went to Walmart and the Dollar Tree. I went to 2 Dollar Trees. And I thought I would just share with you guys. I don't do a lot of shopping at the Dollar Tree anymore, but I do tend to go there still to look at their florals, to see if anything catches my eye. And then things that I can make over their wood items, you know, like their MDF pieces of stuff. I look for little trinkets, maybe I can do little vignettes with. Just, you know, something that I can save money on. But anyway, I wanted to share with you what I got. I'm going to start with the Dollar Tree. I went to 2 of them. They didn't have much any seasonal things. Are you guys experiencing the same issue? But I did at the one, they had some really pretty florals. I've said before, I love their flocked florals. And I am going to be working on a video here in just a moment, and I think I will be able to use these. And then they had some unflocked ones that were just beautiful. They look like little wildflowers. So I did pick those up. And the only small little thing I found is this cute little salt and pepper shaker. It's got the bunny and the little carrot. I'm going to do a little assemblage with these, I believe. I will probably paint them up, but they had those and I thought, oh, those are so cute. And for $1.50, I thought that was a really good bargain. So that was one Dollar Tree. That's all I got there. The second one, I did get these little bunny ears. Aren't they cute? Oh, I love them. They're so cute. Anyway, I'm going to lay those on. And then they, oh my God, they had terracotta pots. I was like, are you kidding me? I haven't seen these at my Dollar Trees in at least 2, maybe even 3 years. So I was really excited. I grabbed the small one and I grabbed the regular sized ones. And then I just grabbed one of these, which I couldn't remember if I already had one, but I have an idea for them. It's not really my own idea. I've just seen something on Pinterest and I thought, well, I could do something like that and sell it. So if I have 2, that's fine. So that was the Dollar Tree. Like I said, just not a whole lot to brag about, but it was something. Okay, so I went to Walmart and their florals are really pretty. So I did grab some florals there. Not that I needed any more florals because if you could see back over in my floral corner, and then I got florals over here, and then I got florals in the tote. I don't know. I think I have a floral addiction. But I did finally get me some Waverly's Antiquing Wax since I'm almost out. I did get me some to have on standby. And in the little Easter section, they had these little colorful flocked bunnies. I think it was like $4 and maybe 44 cents for, what do you get? 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. It's hard to count when they're all cooped up like that, but aren't those cute? I thought those would be so pretty. And then they had these real touch tulips, and they definitely feel real. And this thing's falling off my head here in a second. But they definitely feel real. They're so pretty. Look at those little tulips. They were either $3.86 or $4.40. Oh, I got my receipt right here. Let's see what they were. $3.78 for each of these. And you get 3 little tulips. So, and then I just grabbed some of their 96-cent picks. So I grabbed some of those. And this here, I think, was $4.47 for the ranuncula bush. But look at those. Aren't those beautiful? So I had to grab those. And that's all I got. So short, simple. Just wanted you guys to see I do still shop at Dollar Tree. But I get things like that. And let me know what your latest pickups were from the Dollar Tree or Walmart. I'd love to know. All right, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.